In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear bumper bracket on this Toyota Camry. It sits right here behind the side of the bumper on the quarter panel, and it helps secure it onto the vehicle. So if you need this or any other part, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. Looking up in each corner of the bumper, you'll see this little pocket. That's housing a 10mm screw, so let's remove that. There it is. And if you look a little bit further down, right behind the wheel, you'll see another 10mm screw. Let's remove this one as well. And with these two removed, remove the same two on the other side. Underneath here, you'll see the bumper bracket, or the support that actually clips on the bumper. This is what we're after. So with a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 3 bolts holding this on. The last one is all the way up here. And now to remove it, all you have to do is pop it off. It has some retainers that clip it in. You might need the help of a trim tool. And there it is. All right, let's get this bracket back in here, line it up with its clips, and then you can press it on. That should secure it enough for you to be able to grab those screws and fasten it to the quarter panel. There are 3 screws in total, one over here, and when you tighten them, just make them snug. They're going into plastic. One more over here. And last one all the way up here. Now you can take this, and it's going to have to clip up and over all these tabs here. Should line up perfectly all the way around. If it's not, that means it's not seated right, so take it back off and figure out where it's not in. Right underneath here, there was another screw, 10mm head screw that secured the bumper onto the quarter panel. This one is also threading into a plastic insert, so don't over tighten it. Right about there. All the way underneath here, there was another fastener, 10mm headed screw here. Thread this one in as well. Nice and snug. Make sure this fender liner is tucked in behind the bumper cover, just like so. All the way up. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. If you have anything to say, leave it in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.